Hi guys, I'm intending to make this bracket today. Eccentric is approximately 1 inch, what I can make out. Okay, so what we're looking at is this part here. I've got to make sure that this is in line with that. That's the only thing I've got to concern myself, because they'll put a recess in the base. I haven't done that, so I'll adjust everything accordingly. And I've said this is it now. I've just cut some pieces out. I've got to braze them there together, silver solder them, should I say. So here I've put 2 holes in, just in case I get a little bit wrong with the flywheel, so I can adjust my flywheel there. And also I'm going to put a spacer here and there, and also braze one end so that it's kind of square. So this is it guys. For the first time I have brazed this myself. It's not 100% perfect, but it will do the job, thanks to the lads who told me what to do and helped me out there. That's it there. Don't know how good that is, but it's done now. So if I just turn it around, that's the bottom half there. I just got to clean it up. It's very, very hot at the moment. Gotta wait till it's dry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to make this here with a bit of offset here, but I haven't got a 4-jaw chuck, so I'm gonna try and improvise and see if it works. Now this may not work, but I'm certainly gonna try something. So I'm back on my lathe. I've just got a little bit to take off now. It's nearly there. It's going to be half inch into it. A bit loose now, but it'll do. Half inch is fine. haven't been very successful with my parting tool. Here I am trying to do the parting. I found that nobody really told me how it was done until the gentleman showed me what to do. I did snap this tool. In the end I cut it off with a hacksaw, but what I've decided, what he's done for me is that he shaped the blade, so next time it should work. So guys, the cutting tool didn't work for some reason, so we had to hacksaw it in the end. The gentleman helped me out, and what we'll do next time, we'll finish this off, smooth it down here, and cut another piece out to go on this side. So subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I can finish it next time. Oh, I'll finish this part anyway.